This Ewfen 25-piece pots and pans set is a premium ceramic cookware collection crafted for health-conscious cooks and modern kitchens seeking safety, durability, and efficiency. Designed to handle everything from daily meals to elaborate family dinners, this versatile set delivers consistent performance, ease of use, and exceptional durability. Combining non-toxic ceramic coatings with induction-compatible construction, Ewfen provides a comprehensive solution for all cooking needs while promoting healthier meal preparation. The purchase link is available in the description below and in the pinned comment. A primary highlight of the Ewfen cookware set is its healthy granite nonstick coating. The smooth, ultra-nonstick ceramic surface ensures that food slides off effortlessly, reducing the need for oil while preventing sticking and burning. This coating is completely free of PTFE, PFAS, PFOA, PFOS, APEO, lead, cadmium, and other harmful substances, offering peace of mind for families concerned about chemical contamination during cooking. The non-toxic design makes it ideal for daily meal preparation and for households with children, delivering safe, healthy, and enjoyable cooking experiences every day. In addition to its health benefits, the Ewfen cookware set excels in even and efficient heat distribution. Each pan features a thick stainless steel bottom bonded to die-cast aluminum construction, which allows the cookware to heat quickly and maintain consistent temperatures. This eliminates common issues like hot spots, warping, or uneven cooking. Whether you are searing meat, simmering sauces, or preparing delicate dishes, you can rely on the Ewfen set to provide precise, uniform results that elevate your cooking every time. Cleaning the Ewfen cookware is effortless and eco-friendly. The smooth nonstick surface allows for food residue to be wiped away with minimal effort. A quick rinse or hand wash is generally sufficient to maintain the pristine appearance of the pans, minimizing water usage and reducing environmental impact. This convenience, combined with the durable nonstick coating, ensures that your cookware remains in excellent condition for years, saving both time and effort in the kitchen. The set includes a comprehensive 25 pieces, thoughtfully designed to meet a wide variety of cooking needs. The collection features 9.5-inch and 11 frying pans, a 10/3.5 quart sauté pan with lid, a 9.5 crepe pan with spreader, an 11 grill pan, 9.5/4.5 quart casserole pot with lid, 1.5 quart and 2.5 quart saucepans with lids, 7 pot protectors, and 5 silicone kitchen utensils. This extensive assortment ensures you have the perfect tool for every cooking task, from everyday breakfasts to elaborate dinner parties. Safety and comfort are central to the Ewfen design. Ergonomically designed anti-scald Bakelite handles provide a secure and comfortable grip, reducing the risk of burns and enhancing maneuverability when lifting heavy pots or pans. Tempered glass lids allow for convenient monitoring of the cooking process while preventing splashes, keeping your stovetop cleaner and your cooking experience more controlled. These features combine practicality with style, ensuring a safe, enjoyable, and elegant cooking experience. Induction compatibility adds another layer of versatility. The durable stainless steel base makes the cookware compatible with all stovetops, including gas, electric, glass top, and induction ranges. Users can transition effortlessly between stovetop and oven while enjoying consistent heat and reliable performance. Oven-safe construction enhances flexibility, allowing for roasting, baking, or finishing dishes without transferring to another pan, making it ideal for a wide range of recipes and cooking techniques. The Ewfen cookware set is perfect for families, small to medium households, and health-conscious home cooks who want a complete, reliable, and safe cookware solution. Its non-toxic ceramic coating, durable construction, and comprehensive assortment of pans and utensils make it a practical choice for everyday use. The nonstick surfaces support healthier cooking with less oil, while the ergonomic handles, tempered glass lids, and easy clean design enhance convenience and efficiency in the kitchen. Beyond its practical advantages, the Ewfen 25-piece set elevates the kitchen experience with its sleek classic black design. It combines health-conscious materials, functional versatility, and aesthetic appeal in a complete package, making it an ideal investment for families, apartment dwellers, and culinary enthusiasts seeking long-lasting, reliable cookware. Whether cooking breakfast, preparing a quick dinner, or entertaining guests, this cookware set delivers professional-level performance. Its non-stick coating ensures less oil usage and easier cleanup, while the induction compatibility and oven-safe construction allow users to explore a range of cooking techniques. The ergonomic handles and glass lids provide additional comfort and control, enhancing overall cooking safety and efficiency. In summary, the Ewfen 25-piece ceramic nonstick cookware set offers a premium, non-toxic, and versatile kitchen solution for modern households. It addresses common challenges in traditional cookware, including sticking, uneven heating, harmful chemical exposure, and limited functionality. With this set, users can confidently prepare healthier meals, reduce cleanup time, and enjoy the convenience and performance of a complete, professional-grade cookware collection. Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.